Liquid Text Blender. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users want to create visually striking liquid text effects, but do not know how to combine text, materials, and physics tools like dynamic paint. First, open Blender on your desktop to begin the project. Press A to select all objects in the scene, then press X to delete everything and start with a clean workspace. Next, press numpad 1 to switch to the front view for better alignment. Then press Shift and A, look for the text option, and click it to add text to the project, making sure to set its alignment to view. After that, press Tab to enter edit mode. Select the default text, type your desired text, and then return to object mode. Go to the right side menu and find the data section. From there, extend the geometry panel and set the extrude value to 0.2 to give the text some depth. Use the middle mouse button to move around. Select the object section at the top and look for the convert option. After converting, go to the modifier section and press the plus sign. In the search bar, type remesh and add it. Choose the sharp mode, set the depth to 8, uncheck remove disconnected, and apply the modifier. Then right-click on the text and choose Shade Smooth. Next, press Tab and A, then right-click and choose Smooth Vertices to refine the surface. Return to the right side menu and go to the Material section, then add a material by pressing the plus sign. Under Surface, change it to Glass BSDF and set it to Beckman. Adjust the color, roughness, and IR as desired. Move on to the Physics tab and choose Dynamic Paint. Add a canvas and change the surface type to waves. Next, press Shift and A again. Go to the Mesh section and add a sphere. Make it smaller and place it inside one of the letters. Go back to the right side menu, open Physics, choose Dynamic Paint, set the type to Brush, and add it. Then go to the World section and set the color to white. Finally, press Z, choose Material Preview, and move the sphere inside each letter to review the liquid effect.